Hey friends, this is Gerald and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to talk about a hidden little cost known as dynamic currency conversion, and it is charged by the bank. This video is sponsored by Crypto.com. Crypto.com's goal is to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency. They have an easy to use mobile app as well as a separate professional exchange. Spend and earn up to 8% with their Crypto.com Visa card. Additionally, you can make your cryptos work for you with flexible or lock staking and earn up to 10% a year. Join over 10 million enthusiasts who have signed up with Crypto.com. You can get up to $75 if you use the code Gerald or my link in the description below to sign up for both their Crypto.com app and their exchange. Just note that you need to sign up on true platforms. So, you've heard about me talking about Crypto.com cards, right? It's fantastic. 3% cashback instant. If you use a credit card, they charge you a 1% processing fee. Debit cards, free. But one of my subscribers used a DBS debit card. He topped up $500, but he was charged $514, which amounts to 2.8% in fees. So where did these fees come from? And should you avoid bank cards altogether? Well, the answer is yes. So what happens is that basically Crypto.com is considered an overseas company because of the MAS rules and whatnot. So if you want to top up your cards, you need to top up Sing dollars, but the Sing dollars is sent overseas. So even though it's Sing dollar to Sing dollar, the problem is that the banks charges this thing called a dynamic currency conversion. So while debit cards are free on Crypto.com's end, the banks charge you ranging from 2.5 to 2.8%. I've checked different banks. DBS charges this, OCBC charges this. So what is the solution? So turns out what's really important is you can use tools such as Revolut, which I absolutely love, and I'm going to talk about it in this video over here. And you also can use things such as Utrip. I'm not sure if you can use Grab. Let me just double check. Yeah, so you can use things like BigPay, Utrip, Revolut, Sing Life card to top up. And these companies do not charge this thing called an overseas charge when topping up a company that's overseas, even though there is no currency conversion. So I never knew about this dynamic currency conversion fees, but it's one really important thing to take note of if you use the Crypto.com card. So just bear it in mind and see you next week. Take care everyone, stay safe.